Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create and manage breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. So whether you're running a class or a team workshop, breakout rooms are great for small group discussion. So here guys, first is you need to open your Microsoft Teams so you can either start an instant meeting or schedule one in advance through the calendar here. And then, of course, once it's time, you just need to join the meeting as the organizer. So only the meeting organizer can create breakout rooms. So here, now you need to look for the breakout rooms button in the top meeting menu. So here, I'm going to tap on this one, the join button. Just follow these steps, guys. So here, now look for the breakout rooms button in the top meeting menu. So you can click it to open the setup panel. And of course, choose how many breakout rooms you want, then decide if you want to assign participants automatically or manually. And that's it, guys. That's how you create and manage breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!